You can play games on your Google TV, and it's actually very simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and play games on your Google TV using your Google Play Store. First up, go to your Google TV home screen, then go to the App section. Open Google Play Store from here. Now, use your remote to navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Select the Games option with your remote. Then, open any games from here. Now, choose the Install button with your remote. Wait for the game to install itself. After the installation is done, select the Play button. The game will now load. Choose your user if you have multiple Google accounts. Each game will have a different interface, but you can explore all that yourself. So, that's how you install and play games on your Google TV. Hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching!